air fried honey mustard Brussels sprouts. Check it out.
Alright, let's begin by taking our Brussels sprouts, about 1 kilo of them, and dicing them into quarters. Once you've diced them, we're going to throw them into our air fryer, add some extra virgin olive oil, and then season generously with salt. Make sure they're all nicely seasoned and coated, then we're going to throw this into the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Once you can see they're nice and crispy, we're going to start working on our dressing. I add 1 tablespoon of good Dijon mustard, then I add some extra virgin olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then finish with the juice of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of honey for that little bit of sweetness. Once you've got your dressing, all you're going to do is throw that into a big bowl, give it a good toss, and there you have the most amazing Brussels sprouts. Super crunchy, super delicious, and very easy to make. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.